Okay, so let's turn this into a turret. And there we have the finished turret on the vehicle. Sorry about that, I had one weird cut in the time lapse there. For the memory card on the camera got maxed out. But yep, as you could probably see from the video, I had a ton of fit issues with the main gun. It doesn't really fit inside the hole it's supposed to be in, the mantlet. And now I can't get the turret off again. Oh, there we go. So, of course this camera doesn't autofocus. So, anyways, yeah, the main gun does not fit into the mantlet at all, or in the front armor piece for it. So, it kind of looks ugly right now, because it takes a lot of fettling to get it in. You have to scrape and cut, and it never goes in straight for me. I did try it with the other one that I built, and it was just a ton of problem to get it in there. But when it's all painted up, I don't really notice it. So as you can see, I didn't put on the gas canisters or anything, or the gun and stuff. That's because I like to paint those separately and then stick them on as the last pieces after I've done with the painting and weathering, and usually before the matte coat, but yeah. Anyways, I guess I can start with the painting on this vehicle. I don't think I'm gonna videotape that, but I'll do an update video. Of course, we gotta follow this build through, and I can't wait to get this finished so I can start the next one, because this is just vehicle number 1 of 3 for my desert diorama. Anyways, thanks for watching.